feel like it's been a while since I've been on Spin, but I know it's only been a few days, but I love it. And I'm back with another super exciting product from DermOne, one of my favorite accounts I've worked with so far on Spin. I love having their products, so I decided to request another one because their 3-step skin treatment that I just posted about recently was so good. I decided to go with this new product, and you can see the Daily Defense Moisturizer with SPF. I was so excited to find this because I'm already using a different one, but I decided I wanted a new one, something good for this summer. I recently got super bad sun poisoning, and I was like, I can't have this happen again. So I need to protect my skin, protect my face. Obviously, you can see in the sunlight, I am pretty pale naturally, so especially before the summer months. So I decided I need something to protect my skin, and this just looked like everything. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys exactly how it works. It comes in this beautiful packaging. DermOne is just known for their aesthetic packaging. I am obsessed. It's so cute. And it comes with 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce of the product. And it literally just looks so nice. I've obviously not done any makeup or anything on my face yet, as you can tell. So this would be the first step that you put on before going outside. They recommend that you do it about 15 minutes before sun exposure, and then you can leave it on for like 2 hours, and then they suggest that you get some more. So I'm going to do this now before I do some makeup, and then I'm going to be going outside. So I thought today would be the perfect day to show you all the DermOne Daily Defense Moisturizer. So on the back, it always says how to use, which is super nice. I can't really see with the light, but their step-by-steps are always super easy to understand, which I love from their products. Basically, it says you apply your super antioxidant serum or skin perfecting serum first, which I already did ahead of time. If you guys saw, there's some other serums that they have in their collection that you can use ahead of time to make your skin nice and primed up. And then massage the fast absorbing formula into your skin. It also acts as a primer for footproof makeup application, or foolproof. I thought it said footproof, but yes, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing, is a primer. So basically, it's so cute. I don't know if it'll focus, but it just comes right out. You squeeze it from this tube, so it comes right out nice and easy. I don't know if you saw that. And then you swipe it up. I'm going to set it down. Rub in between your hands because obviously it's a little white in color. And just rub it all over your face. And you have to keep rubbing until it gets all in because obviously it's very white. Comes off super nice. It feels kind of like a clay material, which I like because it's super thick and literally going to last so well in the sun. Just put it all over. I can already see I'm glowing now, and my face feels all like primed up. It feels a lot better. I know my other primer I use is kind of like sticky, and it kind of gives my skin that like feel where it's going to just take in all the makeup I'm about to put on. And that's it. So this product is amazing for anyone going outside with the sun, anyone who has fair skin like me, or just anyone in general who wants to protect their skin, because even dark color skins can get really affected by the sun. So this moisturizer is so nice to put on in the mornings, and then it protects your skin for at least a few hours really well. And then you can continue to reapply or do whatever you need throughout the rest of the day. But yes, I do recommend this for sun exposure, but I also like to use this type of product during the winter months too, because it doesn't seem obvious, but the sun can affect you guys during the winter. So it is very nice. But DermOne today, I am having a nice little sale. Normally it's $44.95 for this Daily Defense Moisturizer, but today on Spin, you can get this for $38.20. So it's a really good deal. I don't know if it's going to focus in the sun, but super cute, super easy to use, and it comes out so pretty. But definitely make sure to check out on my Spin account, and you can also get another coupon just by going to my Spin link. You can click it here or through my Instagram, which is at Alexa_Forbes. I've been promoting Spin there recently as well, so you guys should totally check me out. And I have a lot of products lined up. They're all coming in this week, so I'm going to be doing a ton more on Spin with you all this week. Different things other than skincare, which you guys know I love skincare on this app, which is why I always look kind of crusty on all my videos. But I'm going to be doing some cool hair things and some little surprises that I don't want to share coming in store, but don't forget to check this out. So amazing, so soft and easy to use. But I can't wait to see you guys soon, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day.